This is Radio TV Phono Nut, and yes, this is the little RCA Victor that we put the FET preamp stage in a little while ago, and it's ready to find a new home if somebody wants it. And just to demonstrate that it works, which you saw it work in the last video, but we'll do it again. We'll get us started off with some period correct 78s. This is Oh What a Night by the Dells.
Oh, what a night.
And that was Good Lovin' by the Clovers. Decided to give the song titles because often people ask me what that record was that you played. Well, I'm telling.
Well, I'm gonna write a little letter, I'm gonna mail it to my local DJ. Yeah, it's a jumping little record I want my jockey to play. Roll over Beethoven, I gotta hear it again today.
And that, of course, was Roll Over Beethoven by Chuck Berry. And this one is Pass the Juice, Miss Lucy by Joe Morris Orchestra, featuring Mr. Stringbean. And now we'll get into some 45s, so we just flip our needle lever back over. Set the speed to 45, and we have our adapter here. And this one is Meet Mr. Colligan by Les Paul. About the time this record player was made. Here's one a little newer, well, a lot newer. Hotline by the Silvers and My Eyes Adored You by Frankie Valli. And yeah, that record's fairly worn out, but a lot of these worn out records will sound better on something like this than they will on a hi-fi turntable. And this one is Sissy Strut by the Meters. And I brought one LP out here with me. So we'll just flip it to 33. And this will be the 4 Preps How to Succeed in Love. I think that probably came out around 64 or something like that. Okay, I apologize for not breaking out the Mears Miller records today. I figured between the last few videos that I had with those records and what Shango has put up lately that you've heard and seen enough of her, so thought we'd finish the demo out with a little Hendrix. Whoever thought that Jimi Hendrix would ever be played on this record player. But anyway, as you can tell, And here comes the spy plane that always flies over Shango 066's residence. He's coming over here to see what I'm doing. Okay, so if you want this, there'll be a link in the item description where you can bid on it. I've got it priced to a point that'll cover what I've got in it. I've got to get that much out of it, or else it'll just have to remain here. But I think when you compare what a Crosley Cruiser cost versus what this will cost, I think you'll find out that this is the better deal. At least this one is an American-made model that's designed to last and actually sounds better than a Crosley. Your little Crosley Cruiser will sound like a tin can and will probably be non-functioning in a year, and forget about getting parts to fix it.